x power 3 minus y power 3 equal to minus 56. What is the value of x and y? Solution. The formula x is equal to 1 by 2 f1 plus or minus root of 3 into f1 whole squared plus 12 into f2 by 6, and y equal to x minus f1. This is the formula. So the multiple factor of minus 56 equal to minus 1 into 56 minus 2 into 28 minus 4 into 14 minus 7 into 8 minus 8 into 7 minus 14 into 4 minus 28 into 2 minus 56 into 1. Now substitute, take first this one, minus 1 into 56. Here f1 is equal to minus 1 and f2 equal to 56 minus f1 squared equal to 56 minus 1 squared equal to 56 minus 1, 55. Substitute the value. X equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 plus or minus root of 3 into minus 1 whole square plus 12 into f2 55 by 6. Here minus 1 by 2 plus or minus 1 into 3 minus 3 whole square 9 plus 12 into 55 66 0 by 6 equal to minus 1 by 2 plus or minus root of 669 by 6. Here root of 669 is not a perfect square root, so cancel. Take another one, minus 2 into 28. f1 equal to minus 2 and f2 equal to 28 minus f1 squared. 28 minus 2 whole squared. So 28 minus 2 squared 4 equal to 24. So substitute the value. X equal to 1 by 2 f1 minus 2 plus or minus root of 3 into minus 2 f1 whole squared plus 12 into f2 24 by 6 minus 2 by 2 plus or minus root of minus 2 into 3 minus 6 whole squared plus 12 into 24 288 by 6. Here minus 2 by 2 equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of 6 square 36 plus 288 by 6 equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of 3 to 4 by 6. Root of 3 to 4 is a perfect square root of 18. So minus 1 plus or minus 18 by 6. So x equal to minus 1 plus 3 and minus 1 minus 3 equal to 2 comma minus 4. That is the value of x. And value of y equal to x minus f1. 2 minus f1 minus 2 equal to 4. And x minus f1 equal to 2 minus 4 minus 2 equal to minus 4 plus 2 equal to minus 2. The value of y equal to 4 comma minus 2. Now verify. X equal to 2 comma minus 4 and y equal to 4 comma minus 2. 2 power 3 minus 4 power 3 equal to minus 56. 2 power 3 8 minus 4 power 3 64 equal to minus 56. So minus 56 equal to minus 56. And minus 4 power 3 minus 2 power 3 equal to minus 56. Minus 4 power 3 minus 64 minus 2 power 3 minus 8 equal to minus 56. Minus 64 minus into minus plus 8 minus 56. So minus 56 equal to minus 56. So this is also correct. Finally, x equal to 2, y equal to 4, or x equal to minus 4, y equal to minus 2. F1 is always the difference between x minus y, and f2 is always positive integer. Okay, thank you for watching.